The intention of this channel is to publish the view for Bank Nifty and give the results of trades executed in sensible virtual trading so that one can practice and become a profitable trader. Let us take a look at the portfolio and see the results for last week. Last week I was able to close with a profit of 1 lakh plus. This is the portfolio. In addition to that, I will discuss the details of the trades placed for a particular strategy towards the end of the video. Now let us take a look at the charts and see how the Nifty and Bank Nifty might move tomorrow. Here, looking at the charts, let's go to the Nifty chart. Here it is clearly bullish and it closed almost near the all-time high. So I expect it to give a breakout or consolidate a little bit and then give a breakout. This is my point of view. Let us take a look at the open interest data and see how it is positioned. Here again the support is very high and the change in open interest is also very high at the current levels, that is around 30,700 plus. So I expect this to eventually cross 13,800 and 900 and it might face the next level of significant resistance around 14,000 level. Until then it will move slowly and occupy these zones. That is what I believe. Now let us take a look at the Bank Nifty and see how it is positioned. Here for Bank Nifty, again it is bullish and trading somewhere around the nearest highs, that is the all-time high for Bank Nifty. So considering the 500 to 600 point move, that is the average daily move, probably it might trade somewhere between 30,200 to 30,800 or 850 odd levels. So this is as per the chart and our actual true range, that is the average true range. Now let us take a look at the open interest data and see how it is panned out. Here again the support is significant and it is building up, and the next level of significant resistance is around 31,000. So let us wait for tomorrow and see how the data is changing. Until then we can hold the view that it might trade somewhere between 13,200 to 30,800, because that is where we have somewhat resistance, and 31,000 being the biggest resistance, and support we have around 30,500 and 30,000, very strong support. Look at the change in open interest here. So let us see how the data is changing tomorrow and we can plan our strategies accordingly. One more thing, I will show the strategy I executed separately. Okay. So if you see here, I had this calendar spread for 24th December. Here I was able to make a profit of 5,400 plus. So I will explain the reasoning and the orders. So I will give you the market view first. Since it was trading above 30,300 all through the day and the open interest was significantly high at 30,300 and 30,500, so I expected the index to close somewhere between 30,300 and 500, and I placed the following orders. What I did, I bought 30,400 put and 500 call of next series, that is 31st December, and I sold 30,400 put and 500 call of 24th December. So when I sold, it was around 30,500 call was around 70 rupees and 400 put was around 30 to 40 rupees. So totally I was able to get around 100 points. That's my point of view. But what happened around let me change it to the 5 minutes chart. See, this is the time I placed the order around 225 or something, and then after I placed the order, after some time it tried to cross these levels of 30,500. So I in the meantime there was a time decay and I was able to make the profit, so I closed my positions. But towards the end of the day it closed around 30,400 as we expected. I will show the orders now. See, these are the orders I placed. I bought 30,500 call of next series 31st December and 400 put. This is around 1:52 p.m. But actually there was some mistake. Like instead of selling 30,400 put of 24th December, I sold this 31st December. So I had negated this particular order. So I placed this order again and bought 30,400 put of 31st December series, and then sold these two positions, 30,500 call and 400 put. So I was waiting for some time, and around 2:30 when the market started to rally, I thought there was a breakout and I closed my positions. At 2:30 itself I had closed all the positions and I was able to make this much profit. Always hedge your positions against swift down moves due to any unforeseen reason or profit booking. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. With